Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am sharing how to paint a watercolor wreath, and for that I am using handmade paper. You can use any with high GSM. So firstly you just need to draw a circle or ellipse. So I have drawn a ellipse. And here I am painting some random petals. So I have done painting the petals and now I am painting the leaves. Now cover the space with the random strokes. If you are beginner in calligraphy, so you can write with the pencil first, then trace it with the pen. Here I am using Pigma FB brush pen to write the quote. So I have done with the writing part. Now erasing the pencil marks, and erasing caused paper damage because this is a handmade paper and my little girl said no worries, I will write on it again. Now doodle the petal and leaves like I do. So this is how floral wreath looks like. Thanks for watching.